We all know that Santa Claus sends the elves down to watch over the good boys and girls and report back to him what they want for Christmas. But who watches over the grown-ups?
Man, these new Tundras sure are slick. 381 horsepower.
Don't forget the 401 pounds of torque, Bubba.
With up to and over 10,000 pounds of towing capacity. Man, I want one.
Sounds good to me, guys!
Who the heck are you?
I'm Ran Man, the Christmas elf on the truck!
Don't you mean Elf on the Shelf?
I'm on a truck, not a shelf, silly Billy! No, I'm the elf on the bubba!
Wow, so you're telling me I can get a new Tundra for Christmas?
You bet your buttons! With 0% finance into 60 months on the 2017 Tundras, I'll tell Santa right away!
Thanks for watching out for us, Ran Man.
You betcha!
Children bring such a joy to the Christmas spirit.
Why do you have a beard? Why are you fat? Why do you look so old? Why do you smell like feet? Hey, stop! Those aren't your cookies! They're for Santa! Yeah, Chubby.
From all of us at Toyota Boardman, Merry Christmas!